The wind teaches us something about healing. It doesn't ask permission before it comes. It moves through us, around us, sometimes shaking everything loose. Some seasons feel like that, but grief can feel like a storm, and loss can bend you, and pain can strip away what once felt certain. But look at the trees. They sway, they bend, they release, and still they remain. Because healing is not about standing perfectly still. Maybe it's about learning how to move with what hurts without letting it uproot you. So remember to breathe, bend, release, and remain.